Hi, welcome to my art channel. Thanks for joining me today. My colours. Might need to get the lids. I'm doing one after the other, so I've still got the other colours in my head. Okay. This one is Atelier Cerulean Blue. No, it's not. Oh. Manganese blue, sorry, manganese blue. This one is Lumiere Halo Gold, Halo Blue Gold. This one is Triart Teal. This one is Jo Sonja Aqua. This one is Southern Ocean Blue by Matisse. This one is Amsterdam Greenish Blue with a little bit of Southern Ocean Blue in with it. This one is Pebeo Iridescent Blue Green. I think that's all, isn't it? And Boomgel Stain Enchanted Green. Just move these out of the way and get my cell activators. Gold is 3 golds together, ones I've been using a lot lately. No, it's not. Atelier Rich Gold, Golden Iridescent Gold Fine, and Pebeo Iridescent Precious Gold mixed with Australian Floetrol. 1 to 1.5 parts of Floetrol to the 1 part of paint, and white, the same consistency. This is equal parts of Atelier and Amsterdam titanium white. I'll find a spoon for that one. Yeah, so I'm working on a 14 by 18 inch canvas.
Call me out, tiger. Call me out, why don't you love? Lift me up higher, above the clouds, won't you love? When the scenery is right, go right in. I wanna fall deep within. Don't leave me hanging just 'cause I'm too proud. Whisper away my outdated doubts. Somebody do me the courtesy, dress me down. I'm not that old yet, I'm far too young to not stand my ground. Well, my ways are mine and I don't wanna change, not even for love. Now take back all them hard words. I'm a grown woman with confidence and sense. In the middle, meet me in the middle. I'm a riddle, figure up and down.